Hello, beautiful people. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm getting into a get ready with me, and I was like really getting ready and eating at the same time. So please excuse the chewing, but we're gonna go in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5. This is my go-to. I love this pencil. It's so easy to use. I just draw my brows on and I go ahead and carve them out, which I just did, and I'm just going to blend that concealer in and around the eye area so we can just have us a nice base for our eyeshadow. So moving on to the skin, this is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Love it. I apply this to my skin when I'm about to do makeup, but I've already done my skincare routine. Okay, so this is an added step of moisture and priming. And now I'm taking a darker concealer and applying that to the eyes. So this way it's going to kind of speed up the eyeshadow routine, okay? Because I'm usually just add some bronzer, but this is going to pack it on and start out with like a darker base. So it'd be easier for us to get just like a nice brown shadow look. I think that's Juvia's Place like number 9. And then I'm taking the Skin Tone Concealer. This is the Pat McGrath. This is the same one I used to carve out the eyebrow and just blending the edges. Very simple, very easy. And now we're going to take these brown warm shades from the Artist Couture palette and set that. So this way it's a little bit of less blending and less packing on the shadow because we use the dark concealer to really prime the eye and then add some color to the eye. Okay, for skin, going in with the Milk Makeup Primer. So this does something different than the Bobbi Brown. Bobbi Brown adds moisture, adds that vitamin C, and it just plumps the skin. This Milk Makeup makes it sticky, so our foundation can adhere. And this is the Pat McGrath foundation. All of the shades, everything I use will be down in the description box. And it will also be linked so you can easily just click and check out the product and purchase. I'm just blending that foundation in with my sponge, and then we're going to go on with the Pat McGrath Concealer. So the base is pretty much Pat McGrath when we come to the liquid products. This is the concealer in 18, and then I'm going to grab another concealer in the shade 16 for a little bit of brightness. But here I'm just applying it in my highlighted areas. I did not apply too much because I'm going to blend it out and kind of drag the product and make it a little like a thin layer on my skin. And that way, that's what I'm going to do with this brush here. This is a brush from Ulta. I'm just pressing it into the skin and kind of moving it to where I want it to go. Especially on the forehead, I'm kind of dragging it and thinning the product out because it has that coverage. So it doesn't need to be packed on in one area. We don't need to apply too much. Using a brush really allows for us to pack in the product, and the sponge does kind of soak it up. But the sponge plays a role, which you will see here. As you can see, I have the whole under eye full coverage covered down, okay girl, like I put it across the whole eye when I really did not. I put it right by the tail of the eye in the inner corner, and now it's a full coverage under eye, you know what I mean? So it's just using less product and using the brush to move it around, and now we're gonna blend out the edges with the sponge. So this is a new technique I've been trying to use less product and just less, girl. We don't need to be doing all that all the time. And it really gives the same effect. Full coverage, flawlessness under the eye. Come on. Like right now, I think the skin right here looks great. So I'm going to do some cream contour because cream contour is just important. So this is the Hello Happy Benefit Stick in the shade 9. Very simple. I'm just applying it in our contour areas. And now I'm going to take some cream blush. This is Summertime Wine from Fenty. I've been really using this one because I feel like it goes really good with my powder blushes that I have like on my makeup table that I use all the time. So it's a good base to start. So we have all our cream products down, going in with powder. This is Makeup Forever. Check out the Makeup Forever powders and the Fenty powders. Both of them under the eye really do great. It starts you off with a nice flawless finish, and this helps avoid that flashback if you Like, don't go directly in with a translucent. So I really love this powder. Definitely recommend it if you're new to my channel. This is a go-to. If you're not, you've seen me use this before, including this powder, which this is the Mercier translucent honey. Very great if you are close to my skin tone, around my skin tone, lighter, darker. It would definitely work for you. So I'm setting my eyes, and I'm going to cross my brows as well because we applied all that cream, and that's helpful because we're going to go over everything with this bronzer. And this is Hoola from Benefit in the shade Caramel. So you guys, let me know what else you want to see from me. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. I always see everyone's comments usually, and I just appreciate all the love. This right here, y'all, let me tell y'all, I was low-key rushing. Well, we was late. When I tell you we was late, legally late. That's why I'm trying to eat and hurry up. We went to like a rooftop, I guess, party, and it was cute. And you can see my outfit at the end of this video. And yeah, I was like, let me film and do my makeup, and I wanted to just share this moment because I hadn't done makeup in a while when I filmed this video. So yes, don't forget everything is in the description box. But I do want you guys to comment and let me know what else you want to see from me. I do have a lot of different things coming up, so I hope you guys enjoy everything. Just trying to crank out these videos. Give me a thumbs up for this consistency. Yes, ma'am. So here I'm just going to set and melt with the Urban Decay All-Nighter. And just going to line the lips. I always use a warm brown liner. This is Cork from Dose of Colors. It came in a set. They don't sell it individually. So I got the Cork set from Dose of Colors. So if you want to check that out. And I just wanted to do like a nude peachy lip. This is my go-to. And you want to just keep blotting and apply some mascara. And you are pretty much done, girl. We throw these products on. We blend it out to the best of our ability to give us a flawless look. We don't apply too much powder, and we do our thing, okay? So this is a final look. The outfit I got from ZARA. And yes, girl, my hair is slicked back down. Come on, Pixie Queen. And the skin is giving. The look is giving. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.